What is going on, everybody? I'm going to do a quick market recap from today's price action. So going into the day, I was pretty bullish towards all-time highs. I wanted to see price continue higher. The only thing was we were inside this 4-hour for value gap right here, and we didn't close above it yet. So when I saw the reaction at market open and we started pushing lower, I was open to potentially shorting towards this 1-hour sell side level. But because we had these stacked equal highs and everything and all-time highs here, I really wanted to see longs. So dropping down to the 1 minute, market opened and basically just manipulated higher and started really selling off. My model, I'm looking for some sort of pullback into like a 1 minute or 5 minute for value gap and then nice displacement towards the draw and liquidity. We got a pullback here. And I would have potentially considered entering if we got a few more candles and then displacement down, but we basically just shot back up. So this is when a 5 minute for value gap opened up as well, but we clearly disrespected it by displacing all the way through it. So now my mentality was I'm looking for all-time highs to be hit because of how close we are. My first entry here was we tapped into this 1 minute for a value gap and then we got good displacement. So this was my first long. I think I entered somewhere around here. So my TP was a little bit higher because I wanted 1.5R to pass my eval. And we basically got a nasty break even. So usually for my model, when I get really close to the draw and liquidity, I'm going break even. So what happened here actually was a 5 minute fair value gap opened up. So really it was good that I was break even already, but I could have considered closing the position right here because we were at over 1 to 1 or around 1 to 1 and it came back. Tapped into that 5 minute, stopped me out for break even. And then this is where I was looking for my next long because we still have the draw and liquidity intact. We edged it, but we now tapped into this 5 minute and I'm looking for some sort of reaction out of here. This is literally like my textbook trade. Comes back, taps into a 5 minute right before the draw and liquidity, and then we get a V-shaped reaction. So I'm just basically looking for displacement out of here. And we come back down, tap into the 5 minute, and then we get really strong displacement. This is exactly what you want to see, a nice V-shaped recovery out of here. You don't want to see price chop around. So we got good displacement, entered a little bit before the candle close, and then I was targeting above the draw and liquidity, which I only do when I'm trying to pass evals because sometimes it flushes through, but really you want to just be targeting this draw and liquidity and for a 1 to 1 basically. I was somewhere around here, and then price comes up, we get good displacement, and then we start stalling. You really never want to see that, especially when you have all-time highs and you have equal highs here as well. So price stalls and then starts pushing up. We take the draw on liquidity and then I end up selling it for just about 1 to 1 because we really started to stall here. I should have held it, but I ended up just closing it for around a 1 to 1 once we hit the draw on liquidity. We hit all-time highs, so sometimes we pump through it, but sometimes we reject pretty hard and then start looking towards sell side. So these are the two trades that I took today. Very bullish, pretty clear bias. If you guys want my displacement model or completely free trading journal, you can just click the link down below to join my free Discord. And you can access it all there completely for free. We'll see you in the next one.